This is not your mum's minivan. This is a 1,000 horsepower, Hellcat-powered street weapon disguised as a grocery getter, a machine so outrageous it turns car shows into absolute chaos. It doesn't just arrive, it erupts into the scene, drowning out conversations, shaking the ground, and making grown men shove their phones in your face just to prove they witnessed automotive blasphemy. And the wildest part? It started life as a humble Chrysler Town and Country. Buckle up, because this is the world's first Hellcat-swapped minivan, and it's here to obliterate every stereotype you've ever had about family cars. Watch what happens when this thing rolls up literally anywhere. It gets robbed everywhere it goes. In the blink of an eye, like a rock star stepping off a tour bus. Except this rock star hauls groceries and car seats. People want photos. They want rides. They want the story behind the madness. And when you tell them it's a Chrysler Town and Country, they laugh. They think it's a joke until you hit the ignition. Then their jaws drop. Their kids start crying. Security guards come running. And suddenly, that boring soccer mom van becomes the most dangerous thing in 3 zip codes. People thought I was completely insane. My wife thought I was having a midlife crisis. My neighbors thought I was building a bomb. And honestly, they weren't entirely wrong. That's Rich Rebuilds, the mad scientist behind this automotive open-heart surgery. What began as a humble school-run shuttle and grocery hauler was about to be reborn in his hands. But this wasn't just an engine swap. This was a full-blown identity transplant. The soul, the brain, the beating heart of a Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat was about to be grafted into this soccer mom's body. Wiring, electronics, suspension, cooling systems, computer modules. Every single system had to be re-engineered, reimagined, rebuilt to handle the monster that was about to live under this innocent hood. The Hellcat has like 47 different computers talking to each other. The minivan has maybe 3. Getting them to play nice was like teaching a toddler quantum physics, Rich explains. 6 months, countless sleepless nights, a marriage tested to its limits, and more curse words than a Netflix comedy special. And then, the resurrection. Gone forever is that modest stock motor that barely made enough power to merge onto highways without saying a prayer. In its place, a 6.2-liter supercharged Hellcat 5.8, roaring like a caged dragon, ready to incinerate everything in its path. From paddle shifters to digital displays, from launch control to cup holders, Rich made sure every single Charger feature worked flawlessly inside this family hauler. The result? Minivan practicality fused with muscle car brutality. A machine that can take your kids to school and then humiliate a Ferrari at the next red light. It still seats 7 people. It still has more cup holders than a movie theater. It still has the aerodynamics of a brick, as I like to joke. But now that brick moves like a cruise missile, Rich says, with a grin. Let's talk numbers. 1,000 horsepower, 707 pound-feet of torque, 0 to 60 in 3.6 seconds. But numbers don't tell the whole story. The exhaust note rattles windows 3 blocks before you even see it coming. The AWE Performance exhaust system doesn't just announce your arrival, it declares war on silence. The Plum Crazy paint job screams, "Look at me." The custom roll cage says, "I'm serious." The unique door panels whisper, "Your expectations are about to be destroyed." But here's the beautiful paradox. Remove the car seats and you've still got room for a weekend shopping trip to Costco. I wanted to build something that could take the kids to school on Monday and set quarter-mile records on Sunday. Mission accomplished, Rich declares. By late 2024, the 1,000-horsepower sleeper was hitting car shows across North America, from Detroit to Denver, Kansas to Canada, Alabama to Alaska, and everywhere it went, the moment that supercharged V8 barks to life, the crowd knows. This is no ordinary minivan. This is automotive heresy in its purest form. People started offering money on the spot. 50 grand, right now. Cash, I'm serious. I'll give you 60. The offers kept coming. Then came the ultimate test. The quarter mile. Purpose-built drag cars, $250,000 supercars, and this family hauler. 10.7 seconds, are you kidding me? The announcer screamed. Then the second run, 10.5. A minivan just ran 10.5s. The automotive world officially had no idea what to think anymore. Of course, madness comes with a price tag. The serpentine belt tensioner just gave up on life. Couldn't handle the stress of containing 1,000 angry horses, Rich admits. The cabin routinely hits 125 degrees Fahrenheit in summer. Too hot for humans, perfect for slow-cooking passengers. Something breaks every week. But that's not a bug, it's a feature. Every problem is just another excuse to make it even more ridiculous. But that's the trade-off when your family car exists to humiliate supercars and traumatize Prius drivers. This minivan once carried groceries and soccer equipment. Now, it carries something far more valuable: bragging rights, internet fame, and proof that with enough vision, enough skill, and just the right amount of complete insanity, you can turn the most ordinary, most overlooked, most mum-approved vehicle into an absolute legend. Never let anyone tell you what a car is supposed to be. Especially not when you can make it do this, Rich says, launching one final time with tires screaming into the sunset. If this build blew your mind, absolutely demolish that like button. Subscribe for more automotive insanity that proves there are no rules in the garage. And comment below, would you have the guts to daily drive a 1,000-horsepower minivan, or are you too attached to your eyebrows?